Okay, I'm back filming, guys. Just picked up some candles. We have a lot of clothing out here. Bingley Park. Oh, we have nice jewelry here. We got the crystals. Oh, we got the bath bombs. Really cool. Got a picture frame. Oh, excuse me.
Thanks, eh?
Got beautiful artwork here, guys. How you doing?
Good, good.
Essential Earth Remedies. Gotta sell colloidal silver. Actually, let me check and see, because I saw colloidal silver here. I want to check and see what all they have. I'm going to be honest with you guys. I am completely overwhelmed here by myself. Okay, they have a nice size jar.
So it is a thing. Yeah.
Okay.
But I'm very keen to get a scrub.
Let me give you a bit of a
work with the
sample.
wash that I have. If that makes sense.
Yes, and your wash is?
Couple spray, no spray.
The white is
Okay. And what's in it?
Okay, guys, so I'm going to get some stuff from here because they got colloidal silver nose spray, which is amazing. Okay. This is really good. This is exactly what I've been looking for. They have eye creams, guys. They have Tiger Balm. Okay. I am in the right place.
Well, I think you must.
And then, let me just, how you doing? All right, guys, we got some more essential oils and everything over here. This is really cool. Frankincense and myrrh. Outstanding. So if you know me personally, I used to make a lot of this stuff myself. Colloidal silver is something that I'm new to. I didn't know about it until this year, actually, and I've been using it,
They mustn't bring oil near this.
and it actually really helped a lot with relieving mucus out of my body. So I'm gonna get some of this. This is the nasal spray here,
But if the wash
and one of the reasons I'm getting that is because I have tinnitus, which is a ringing in my ear. So my whole ear, nose, throat area is really inflamed. And so here's some for eczema. Really cool, really cool. How you doing? Right here.
Who is that?
Talking to the world.
Whoa!
Yes.
Hello, world. Are you from America?
Yes, from Texas. And
Yes, I do sell colloidal silver remedies.
lovely.
Introduced MSM with it, which is an anti-inflammatory.
Oh, okay.
And I've introduced vitamin C with the colloidal silver as an immune booster.
Oh, nice.
That's what. And they are all in different containers. It's the same product in different containers.
Oh, okay.
So you can use it for different uses. This is a nose spray for when people have sinuses. This is an eye drop.
Oh.
So they are all in different containers just so that you can use it differently.
Oh, okay.
This you actually drink.
Okay. Perfect, perfect. I know I'm gonna get one bottle of this one.
This is the nose spray. for
Yes.
sinuses.
Yeah, this is exactly what I wanted for.
Okay, and if you're on the airplane, make sure you use it.
Oh, okay.
Because it will also protect you from viruses,
Oh, okay, perfect.
airborne viruses on the airplane.
Do you have one for eardrops too? Or would this one work for it? Well, no, that's the eye drop.
That's the eye drop. Yeah, you see, so the eye drop would be the same for eardrops
Okay.
as well, because it's got a drop.
Okay, let me get this one also. That way I can put it in my ears. And see, guys, this is what, when you come to random marketplaces, family-friendly places, this is how you find this stuff.
Handmade things.
And you're actually supporting real businesses. One of the things I don't like doing is I don't like buying so much from big box stores,
That's right.
big brands,
That's
because
right. These are all handmade, hand bottled, hand labeled. labeled.
And with that, guys,
No preservatives,
Yeah.
no colorants.
perfect. And with that, guys, like the energy that's coming into it too.
So it's 140.
Oh, okay, perfect.
Give you one that's not a taster. So it's an anti-inflammatory. It's got MSM in it. You can read up on MSM.
Oh, okay.
It's an anti-inflammatory.
Okay,
A
perfect.
long word that I can't even pronounce. And we are also online. So if one day, I don't know about America, we don't post to America, but if you're in South Africa,
Here we go,
you can
guys.
see all these products online.
Essential Earth Remedies. I'm gonna tag their online store at the end of the video in the comments. So if you want to hit them up, that way you'll be able to get it. If you plan on coming here soon, and by soon, like within a month, if there's something that you specifically want, I can pick it up for you, and you can just pay me back when you get here. But make sure you're actually coming here within a month. I don't like holding on to products.
Thank you.
I got to pay.
Yes.
Yeah.
140. Have you got a card? Are you?
Yes.
How do we use Rocky with a snack? How do we? Don't have a card.
Let me see.
We don't. I don't know. Where's that your? So I don't think our card machine takes pictures. It's just one of these. Can it?
Oh no, that works.
That works.
Uh-huh.
Okay, I'll give you a phone. Okay, for the young ones. Is it for my?
And this is one of the great things about Johannesburg and South Africa, guys. Like, you can pay everything with your phone, with your watch. It just, it's crazy, but it makes things so much safer because
It does.
you don't have to carry cash on you.
Oh yeah. And how long are you in South Africa for?
I'm gonna be here until they kick me out.
Oh really?
Yeah.
That's fantastic. They won't do that.
I know.
They're busy with all sorts of shit.
Yeah.
140.
And even if they try, I'm sure electricity goes out and they
Oh,
forget.
no, you're safe. You are safe. You're here for life. And you're tapping.
Uh-huh.
I think scanning, eh? You can put on your... I leave this to the teenagers.
It's the best way to do it.
So this anything taps your photos. It's not tapping.
Should be on the back of the blue machine.
I think so. I don't think we are supposed to tap.
Let's see if it goes.
Okay, we only tap
hold on.
an insert card. I don't think we've got the...
Oh, okay.
Right?
Oh, okay. Let me get a card.
I'm so sorry.
Oh, no, it's okay.
I think that I've seen other people, they have a bigger one.
Oh, okay. Maybe that's what it is. There we go.
You're supposed to sign.
There you go.
Really? Campella? Approved. Wow. Oh my word. I'm too old for this world.
That's what you have the right person doing it.
Thank you, my teenager.
All right, thank y'all.
Thank you.
I'll have a great day. Did I get a card? Oh no, I was making sure I get a card.
Yes, next time you want, you can just buy online.
Oh, okay,
They're
perfect.
not taking you anywhere.
Oh, okay,
Enjoy
perfect.
South Africa.
Thank
Be
you.
safe.
Oh, I will. It's been a lovely time so far. All right, guys. It's still on? Yeah. All right, I meant to cut that off whenever I'm paying, but you got to see it. All right, I'm gonna walk a little faster through here because I did not expect it to be this big. And I'm not trying to spend too much money here.
Hi, how are you? What's that smell?
Hey, how's it going, brother? Got clothes here, guys. We got some nice bags. Oh, is that a chess set? Yes, it is. Oh, man, that is nice.
Hello.
How you doing?
Fine, and you?
I am doing amazing. I don't know if you can see this, guys. This is one of the coolest chessboards I have ever seen in my life. And you know I love chess. Oh, this is so cool. Yes, you are for making this. Like, oh man, this is so cool. This is the only problem with being a nomad. I don't get to collect stuff anymore. I hope you can see. Man, that is gorgeous. So it's like with spark plugs here, and you know I'm a car person. You just made my day with this. You don't know, you just made my day. Oh, I love this.
Take me off camera and then I can relax.